Hi, welcome back to our social networking app tutorial and the last part of this tutorial. In the previous tutorial we have create comment component and the comment component, where we use the single post and pass the handle comment submit to the create comment, which we will use to receive the comment submitted by the user. We will later have the implementation of the handle comment submit, but before then let's define a controller method which will find the post by its ID, and then we update the comment. Then we have also the API. Inside our API we will call the method using the ReactJS. So let's go to our backend. Here inside the controller we will define a controller method. So we will start with the output mapping, which we use for update, and then we will pass the path as comments. We will have ID here so that we can use it to find the post by its ID. Okay, so the method public, let's start the response entity. We pass the post and name the method update comment. Okay, so this method will have two parameters. The first one is at path variable, which we will use to find the post by ID. Let's add the at path variable, and the type is long. The type of the ID is long. So followed by the at request body. We will use the at request body to receive the object of the comment, which we will pass from our front end. So this is of type comment. Okay, so you are seeing this error because we did not return anything. So the implementation of the method. So we need this code to find the post by its ID. So let's have it here. We don't need to rewrite it again, since that we have it inside the get post by ID. Okay, when we find the post by ID, then we will update our comment that we have. Remember, we have this get comment, which we define inside our post. As you can see, it is the array list. We use the getter to get the comment and also add new comment. So let's go to the social app controller and continue the implementation. We'll get comment and then add comment. So we are passing this comment from here. Okay, so now the next thing, we will save this. So let's name this post updated equal to post repository dot save post. Okay, we will save this and then we will return the response entity. Here we need to add the okay, post updated. So and here we will access the okay and then pass this as the body post updated. This is the updated post object. Okay, so we finish with this, and the next thing, we will go to the API file, then have the ReactJS call this method So let's go to the API.js. Inside the API.js, let's name the method update comment again. Okay, so we will define a method update comment here, which we will use to call our backend. And remember, we need to pass the ID, because we will use the ID and the comment object. So here we'll return the axios dot put, okay, then followed by the social API based URL. We follow the pattern of the path that we have there, which start with the comment and then net this with the slash, and here we have this here. We don't need to run plus ID again. You see, we have this here again. So what's remaining is that we need to add the comment as well, so that we will receive this as a request body. So we just need to add a comma followed by the comment. So we will call this update comment inside our single post component. So let's save the changes before going further. And then the next thing we will do, let's go to the single post component. So we will add a comment to this state object first. So let's add a comment, and the comment is, let's name it comment, because it is many and it is array. We will have many comments for a single post. Okay, so we will continue with the implementation of the handle comment submit. Okay, so remember, we pass this as prop, and we will receive the submitted comment, and we will receive the submitted comment here inside the handle comment submit. So how we will receive the submitted comment? We will receive it just as the parameter like this. Comment that we will receive. This represent the new comment that we will receive. Okay, so before then we need to have the const comment, which is our comment in the state, the current state. We use this dot state dot comment and store it here, because when we add, let's go, so when we add new comment, we need to combine it to this. Okay, here we have the current comment that we have in the state, and this represent the new comment. Okay, so we will concat this. How we will do this is that let's have a const like this and name this new comment equal to, we use the comment that we have here. Okay, comment dot, and we use the concat so that we can combine it with the comment that we have, that is the new comment. Okay, so we like this and pass the comment. Okay, so here we have a new comment, which is the updated comment. So when we have this, that not all we need to update our state. Okay, so we need this dot set state. then for the comment that we have comment like this, then we set it to new comment. Okay, so we update it with the new set of comment that we have. I remember inside the this dot set comment, we also, if this get post by id fetch, it also fetch by the comment. Okay, and if it fetch an empty comment, we will still use and update the comment when we have. Okay, let's have comment, then use the post dot comment, that is how we will use to receive the comment from the get post by id. So remember, we have the API method that we have in the API file, so we will call it here. So here it is already imported. Okay, so now let's call it inside this API. We have the method that access it update comment. So before passing this, let's check our API file again to see which parameter come first. We have id, then followed by the comment. Okay, so let's go back to the single post component. So we pass the id first. So how we will get the id? So we will get the id using the this dot state dot id. Okay, comma, the next is the comment, and we will pass the new comment here, not the set of comment. So that we will receive the comment here and the id, we will add the new comment to the list of comment that we have. We first get the comment. If it is empty, we add a new one. If it has many, we add another. So let's go back. So here we will pass the comment. Okay, so we will save the changes now. So the next thing we will do is that we will display this comment inside the render. Okay, remember we have the comment component, so we will use this to pass the user as prop and content as prop. So inside the method that we will define, so let's go back to the single post component. So here we will have the method. So to define the method inside the render, we will have a semicolon. We will define this dot state. We will map over the list of comment that we have. This dot state dot comment dot map and display each. So we'll have a function here. Remember, this is the comment which we have as each comment. So so we will have a return here before calling the comment component. Return. So inside this return, we will use to display the comment. Okay, so let's have our comment. Make sure the comment is imported here. Okay, so let's import the comment. Import comment. Okay, this is okay. Let's go back to this. Remember our comment has prop, so we will pass the, let's check how we define this inside the comment. Start with the user and the content. So first we will pass the user. How we will do this, we will have the user like this, and then comment. For each comment we get the user, and then the content. For the content, equal to comment dot content. Okay, so this is how we display the comment. Okay, so now let's save the changes and then test our final section. Okay, now let's go to this phase. We need to refresh this, testing our implementation. Okay, so we are having this because you see we have this as 0, but you see we have the comment because that is the comment already submitted. So why we have this as 0? Let's go back to the code. If you can remember, before having the implementation for this, we just pass this as 0. So this does not supposed to be 0. We will pass the number of the comment. So we'll use this using the this dot state dot comment dot length, because the length defines the number of the comment that we have. Okay, let's save this and make sure you save your backend as well. Okay, so let's go to this. You see the comment reflected the number of comments. That is because we previously added the comment since from the beginning, since we implement this. So now let's try to add another comment to see if our implementation work. Let's add Aliyu Adam. Okay, so and then followed by just yes. Okay, you see another comment added, Aliyu Adam. Okay, let's check the DB, refresh. You see we have Aliyu Adam content, yes. Okay, so let's go back and add another comment to like this. You see we added this. Okay, it works, looks like work. When we click this, it takes us to here. Talk is cheap. Show me the code. Let me add the name and comment, Aliyu Sahabo Adam, and then have like here comment. You see we have our comment, it works. Okay, now this is the final of this tutorial. I will say that this is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will subscribe this channel for more videos.